Among the various activities and sites to visit in Wausau, Wisconsin, you'll find family fun and thrills year-round at Sawmill Adventure Park. Owner and operator Dylan Alwyn opened Sawmill in 2020 to provide a family-friendly facility for all ages to enjoy. From group outings to birthday parties or just a weekend visit, you'll find fun and excitement on their trampoline park, a Hologate virtual reality experience, and challenging, well-manicured mini golf course open during the summer months. Other thrills and activities at Sawmill Adventure Park include trampoline dodgeball, a ninja warrior course, and a traverse climbing wall. Dylan ensures his guests' safety by providing industry-leading safety and sanitary measures throughout the facility. Sawmill offers affordable party packages both for the trampoline park and the mini golf courses. For more information on Sawmill Adventure Park, visit www.sawmilladventurepark.com.